These Wisconsin statehood quarters can be worth a lot of money. This is the only video you'll need for these coins, so save this video and just know by the end of the video, you'll know everything that you need to know to be successful. So the area you want to look on these coins is on the back. Right next to that corn, there is a leaf. Now that leaf, if you see no leaf underneath that one, that means just like this coin on the screen, that means you have a coin worth just 25 cents. Not a big deal. But this coin has a rare variety of either an extra low leaf or an extra high leaf. Now this coin you see on the screen sold for $2,220. Now I need to preface this with this coin graded by PCGS a mint state 67, which is a very high grade. It's hard to get that high of a grade. But even if your coin does not hit that high of a grade, you can still achieve getting a lot more money for your coin if it has this extra low leaf like this coin. Now this 2004D Wisconsin coin has an extra high leaf. You can see that the leaf is in a much higher position than the previous coin. Now this coin sold for $2,280 because it graded by PCGS at a mint state 67. This coin right here graded so highly and it has a really good eye appeal. Now this one has the extra low leaf. It's in really good condition. It has a nice color to the coin. It's an uncirculated mint state grade. It has the low leaf there. It has everything going for it, which allowed it to sell for $6,000. If you have a Wisconsin quarter, leave a comment below and let me know what you have.